Manny driving DKU.
Oh my God!
DKU on a shot.
Isinagawa ang isang exhibition match na tampok ang pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao na isang retiradong boxing 8th Division World Champion at ang South Korean YouTuber na si DKU. Ang huling laban ng pambansang kamao bago nagretiro ay si Yordenis Ugas noong August 21, 2021. Si Pacquiao ay natalo sa kanyang laban kay Yordenis Ugas sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Si Pacquiao, na kasalukuyang senador noong panahong iyon, ay nagretiro mula sa professional boxing upang ituon ang pansin sa kanyang kampanya para sa pagkapresidente sa Philippine election noong 2022. Si Pacquiao ay natalo sa eleksyon. Sinabi ni Pacquiao na ang exhibition fight niya kay DKU ay hindi senyales ng pagbabalik niya sa pro fight. Si DKU naman, bukod sa pagiging kilalang personalidad sa internet, ay isang tagapagturo ng self-defense at isang practitioner ng sining ng martial arts. Si DKU ay dating nakipaglaban kay mixed martial artist Brad Scott sa isang non-scoring match. Ang exhibition fight nila ni Pacquiao ay may format na 6 rounds at bawat rounds ay magtatagal ng 2 minuto. Walang pinagkasundo ang weight limit na ipinataw sa parehong mga fighter. Ito'y disadvantage kay Pacquiao dahil masyadong mabigat si DKU. Sa weigh-in noong December 10, 2022, ang naitalang timbang ni Pacquiao ay 161 pounds habang ang timbang ni DKU ay sumukat ng 174 pounds. Ang lahat ng kita ng laban ay mapupunta sa mga charitable institution kung saan ang mga makikinabang ay ang mga pamilyang naapektuhan ng 2022 Russian invasion sa Ukraine at ang mga walang tahanan sa Pilipinas. Isang bahagi ng kita ay ibibigay sa Filipino Boxers Charity, ang Pacquiao Foundation na nagtatayo ng mga bahay para sa mga mahihirap. Ang laban ay ginanap sa Korea International Exhibition Center sa Goyang, South Korea noong December 11, 2022. Okay, let's begin the fight. Jab mula kay DKU. Straight punch mula kay Pacquiao. Combo mula kay Pacquiao. Block ni Pacquiao. Dito mapapansin natin yung bilis pa rin ni Pacquiao eh. Slow mo muna tayo. Yan yung signature punch ni Pacquiao, yung double jab at sinundan ng ng birada sa buga, tiyan. Makikita dito yung height advantage ni DKU.
Absolutely beloved. 44 on December 17th. There was a straight left that missed. Good movement by DKU. There it goes. He landed. Manny lands second frame. You know how he's feeling. He probably understood that he's got to come in heavier because of the fact that DKU was...
Yun, tinama dun si DKU.
Yeah, and I think Manny can really, he knows he can explode in. I think he's kind of just taking his time with it because he knows eventually he's going to get close to...
Well, punch mula kay Pacquiao, hindi tumama. Yun, the please. Kailog dun si DKU. Round 3 tayo mga kaibigan. Boboy Fernandez, long time partner ni Pacquiao. Jab mula kay DKU. Yun, sapul dun. Straight punch mula kay Pacquiao.
don't see that every day.
ito yung ito yung mga birada ni Pacquiao na pag
Typically, Manny
tinira na yung kalaban ng sunod-sunod na combo, yun,
still prize fighting.
nahihirapan yung kalaban na isipin kung anong mga next move niya.
Return of the great Pacquiao against DK. Couple of lefts, hammering away.
Makikita na rin natin dito ng panghihina si Dekio. Bumaba na rin yung stamina niya eh.
As you pointed out, Sanisa. Couple of lefts there.
Trying to keep
A double punch dun si Dekio ah.
right now. And he looks very tired. And of course, here we have the replay here. Manny
Ayun, sinapul si Pacquiao dun.
they're coming in, but Manny returns it by digging to the body.
Siguro yung mga pro fighter yung tumira nung kay Pacquiao, siguradong,
Was that right hook there?
pero makikita naman natin ng malakas na panga si Pacquiao eh.
Scheduled for 6, Manny Pacquiao, DKU. I think it's clear that if Manny wants
The
to
rounds go on. DK's getting more and more winded, and
There's that right hook upstairs by Manny Pacquiao, and you really wonder if Manny ended in grand fashion. Manny looking to swarm.
Ito yung hindi gaanong nagamit ni Dekio yung pag-utilize niya ng kanyang jab.
great condition, but you have to go by the boxing rules.
Oh, there's a right
Kasi kung
Rules and boxing technique.
maganda yung paggamit ng jab dito ni Dekio, may magandang laban siya, pero syempre 8 division yung kalaban niya dito eh. Tsaka hinog na si Pacquiao sa mga ganyang kalaban.
prolongate some time, and there is, and down goes DKU.
Nako,
One is... Did he get up? I'm trying to see. Is
He
it
called
over?
it off, and then DK.
itong referring to may kinikilingan eh.
Exploding in and
Malinaw naman dito na to eh,
Pacquiao body punching.
The ferocity of a lion.
knockdown to eh.
The question is when. I think it's if Manny Pacquiao wants to go ahead and finish off.
Yeah.
Yun, bodega sa pool sa mukha.
There are certainly levels to this, and even Manny Pacquiao
Pero hindi yun tinawagan ng knockdown ng referee.
was momentarily
Syempre kapwa Koreano eh.
but elects to come out, and he gets hammered with that left.
Oh, nag-showboat pa dito si DKU ah.
We've seen DKU
Ano yun, parang kitikita naman to.
starts, and the fans certainly think
Circles,
May,
that's hilarious.
ikaw pa talagang may ganang mag-showboat kay Pacquiao ah. Nako po, parang David and Goliath ang labanang ito.
on DKU, and he wants
Paano hindi tatamaan sa batok na umaano siya eh, yumuyuko.
going right after DKU. DKU could barely
Wala. Makikita natin dito mga kaibigan ng sobrang layo ng skills fight ng mga mandirigmang ito.
And now they are resting the fourth, stayed down, and just wants to go the distance.
Dito nabunyag yung
Oh, there it is.
tunay na tunay na skills ni DKU pagdating sa tunay na labanan.
Here's some of the action from the fifth.
O, tingnan mo yun. Malapit na sanang tumumba pero
Trying very hard to stay in the
siya pa
fight.
yung may ganang mag-showboat.
Manny is just too much.
This is why he's a globally renowned.
Isang maliit na fighter, ginugulpi yung napaka tangkad sa kanya na kalaban.
Talking with Manny Pacquiao 4 seconds. I think DKU is trying to find a way to survive. Will Manny Pacquiao opt to do so? Now they are resting Jocelyn Vale. DKU.
Doing anything
He
not
wants
to
to make him quit. He wants to get the stoppage.
Now he's back to DKU on a couple of lefts. Manny driving DKU.
Aroy,
DKU.
sinapul.
Can DKU
Yan yung legit na knockdown. Ito yung ito yung dapat sana dito TKO na to eh. Pero dahil binigyan ng mahabang pahinga ng referee, makikita talaga dito yung
his technical authority and
pagkikiling ng isang referee sa kanyang kababayan. Yan. legit na knockdown yan, pero hindi yan binilangan ng referee. Ayun guys, ito yung exhibition fight ng ating pambansang kamao. Ano sa tingin nyo mga kababayan? Meron pa bang ibubuga si Pacquiao sa pro fight? Comment down below.